So in the past, utilities, 30 years ago, didn't even think about putting a monitor on their transformer.
Right.
And as they realized that there were new innovations and different things they could monitor on their transformers, monitoring became a staple on large transformers.
Right.
And now most utilities aren't going to buy a large transformer without some amount of online monitoring capability, and that always involves communications. So in those substations, you have communications to bring the data back. Now people are moving to middle-sized transformers and adding some amount of monitoring to those. And so it's a natural progression as lower-cost sensors and more reliable sensors are installed and available in the market. You can reach these lower and lower levels. I've found that it's distribution engineers sometimes don't even know what a DGA is. Yeah. And so I had to explain to a distribution engineer recently that the DGA stood for dissolved gas analysis, and you take an oil sample from a transformer, but I found out, I was educated that transformers outside of a substation, utilities don't take online or don't take DGA samples. They don't take oil samples on those normally. And so as people are moving the monitoring to smaller and smaller assets, there's a lot of education that needs to be done in the industry about the value of monitoring those smaller assets. And now that utilities are installing communication networks across their networks for metering or distribution automation, now there's a communication medium that can be used to bring the data back.